Hello, digital citizens. Let's see how well you did on your public versus private information sort. So the first one we'll look at is full name. That belongs in private information. Second, number of siblings, that is not identifying, so you can put that over in the public. Your mother's maiden name is private. Your email is also private. Your phone number is private. We've got a pattern here. Passwords are private. Your gender is non-identifying. Your opinion, that can be public. Your favorite food can be public. Your favorite band. Your birthday is something you want to keep private. Credit card. For an elementary student, hopefully you don't have a credit card, but your parents' credit card you want to keep private. Name of your pet is public. Your address you need to keep private. Your age. Sources give different information. As your teacher, I would tell you to keep it private, but some sources will say your age doesn't matter. I'm going to put it in the middle. And your school, you want to make sure to keep private. So hopefully you did a good job separating public versus private information.